peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. I am going to start my ATCs for this month. I'm a little late in doing everything, and a friend of mine had a baby, a good friend, and some other things happening, so but that's okay. I'm going to get them done. They're not actually going to be late being done. I just like to try to get them done earlier in the month. So I was going to use this paper and cut it because the theme for this month is monochrome, and this is a great green. I love this green color, but I thought maybe I would do my own background. So I have a bunch of different green here. I'm just going to pull all of this. there you have it. The ATCs, I made a couple of extras that I didn't really like, but these are the ones I ended up with. I just got to put some heavier backing on them because they're very, very thin right now, and they'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. You can join this swap still over at the Facebook group, which is linked below, and you can join really up until the time that the swap has to be shipped, and that is the 31st. So there's still a couple of weeks to get this done. The theme for this month is a monochrome, so you just pick a color that you really like and stick with mostly that color. You can use pops of other color. You can see there's some gold in there. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you over at the group. And if you do not want to use the group, you can email me, and my email is below. Thanks for watching.